on the part of the surplus po ay initially in the year December 2024 2023 we wala ho tayong na-set up ng ganito. The initial that we have reserved ay 464 billion pesos. Now, with that computation of the EOF and adopted by PhilHealth, so yung sobra doon ay yun ang tinatawag natin na surplus. Now, for year 2024, sa beginning balance, in-add natin po yung income of PhilHealth na as September mayroon ho tayong 46 billion. Binawas po natin din dito yung compliance to the Department of Finance Circular 003-2024 and the special provision of GAA 2024 that 89.9 billion pesos, Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda. So matotal yung lumalabas sa figure po natin dito